Thinking the pound is about to sell off here. Ooh, my S&P trade just activated. See if I can do how I used to do it. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. So as I'm trying to explain GU, this S&P trade activated. I'm trying to take it down, essentially like I want to one, right? There's a lot going on. I'm trying to stay focused at the same time. Okay. So days range from the low to the high, and prices retraced past 23%, around 25%. We're trying to essentially take it down to the next fib range of 382, and we're taking it as a 1-to-1. Right? It's pretty much what we're trying to do. And in the same token, I have a TP set to go partial right here to 382. It's going to close 75%, and then the rest of the 25% will close here if it wants to agree. I'm also at the same time trying to wait on entry opportunity to short GU. That's the trade of the day right here. GU is definitely going to be the trade of the day. I'm waiting on it. At the same time, I gotta make sure I don't jump in too early. This S&P trade. It did give a double window. I give a 2 double signal. One here, and then one here. They were bigger, of course, but oh well. Thinking that, like, instead of it trying to complete the full pullback going 30%, I'm thinking it's only going to do the 1-to-1 of this bearish candle like it did and struggle to break this aqua on the 5-minute, which is relating to the support, the demand that's still here. We're gonna see though. Definitely about to see. I will say that is a significant drop to do within 1 30-minute candle. But hey, it's the one that submitted itself to this range. And if I tell it to drop in and go back up like that. Let me keep moving. Change my emotions from just being stuck in this one thing. Definitely for show. It's trying to show me something. It hasn't submitted it yet. You know, this candle right here, if it would have closed, it would have confirmed it, but it didn't. I think it's going to, though. I'm pretty sure this is gonna run itself back again. And we're gonna have something like this. Except I'm gonna be able to play it with a greater risk to reward. Half of me wants to go ahead and take that. It's not done yet. You gotta wait on it to show itself, though. I'd rather wait on it to show itself and put more risk once it actually closes than me entering way too early. I mean, and it pulling back on me and losing anyways. Like, either gonna do a win-win situation or a lose-lose. It's that simple. So as we see the dollar begin to picking strength back up, all right, closing back above the open of 9 a.m., which is the 4 a.m. candle, right? We are now agreeing to the continuation of the 4 hour, being bearish for the indices, bearish for the XXX USD, as euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar. Euro dollar looks so good, bro. I'm actually gonna put pound yen down here in the bottom of the range. So I'm trying to take pound yen and pound dollar. I'm trying to short both of these. Pound yen, oh my goodness. Okay, indices, S&P picking up. I think I need to go ahead and make a decision if I'm going to enter these two or not. I'm gonna go with pound yen. Okay, pound yen is looking nice. S&P dropping massive in the profits here. Should hit my TP any second here now. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and set pound yen up as well. How am I entering this? Go to 5 minutes. I need to hurry up. Take your time, Trey. Take your time. Ain't no rush. Oh no, I got did dirty. Oh, look at this. Okay, so S&P did not hit my level. Trifling, bro. Trifling. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Man, I'm gonna have to exit because it did the move. tragic, bro. Dang, that one sucks to see. But I'm not focused on that anymore. This is what I'm looking at right now. I'm pounding yen. And because I entered in early, I need to make sure that I focus on me doing the right type of early entry. I do like how we're below the pink line on the 50 SMA. First signal, second signal. Both of them on the same time frame. This thing would pull back on me in the last 5 minutes. I can't believe my trade hit TP and it didn't TP me out. That kind of is making me feel some type of way right now. No cap. That's what I get for A, not paying attention to the trade. Kind of B, doing, I don't want to say I was doing too much, but I wasn't paying attention to the trade. I was kind of trusting it. I need to do TP. Yeah, I feel like I'm being trapped here in pound dollar the more I look at it. But nah, it's signaling here. This is one-to-one off the D-load. Right now I got my stops up here. So I got my first entry, but depending on how it closes, it's gonna depend. Shoot, how I do my second entry. It needs to break the low of the last candle though. Right now my entry is like down here. That's what I'm playing right now. How much time we got left? 30 seconds. It needs to give me something better than that. Jeez. That's not what you want to see. This is making me mad that S&P is going back down. But pound yen is going up. It's a rejection right there. Okay, we got the closure of the hour. It gave the signal. I'm in the trade early. The zone is completely chopped. This isn't looking good at all. I can't even cap to you. I'm gonna close half in my position that I'm currently in. Really want to just close full, just take the L, but it hasn't lost. So why would I do that? So right now I'm mainly training with my 4-hour edge, because that's the only thing I can really say that's making me stay in this pound yen trade. And it's also not really the only thing that's making me continue to look at pound dollar. Because pound dollar actually closed a significant portion of its candle. Instead of me re-entering into pound yen, I may end the entry into pound dollar. It's not even ready for me. It's tragic. So I'm observing, patiently waiting. Contemplating on if I'm about to stay in the pound yen position or exit early. Contemplating if I'm going to enter into pound dollar. And that needs to just come from the dollar, right? The dollar looks like... what is the dollar telling you? Not telling me anything. I don't know what this is. This is weakness. We're in a downtrend, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna close out, I guess, my pound yen. No, I'm not. I'm gonna hold my ground. So just to clarify what I'm targeting the 1-to-1 of the previous and the first signal engulfing candle, which is 168.02.5. All right, I'll close position. It's important to pay attention to the 4 hour here. Extremely important. What I was noticing was how significant the sell was off of AU. And giving the earliest and biggest rejection, completing at 9 a.m. sell. Now I need to wait for another opportunity. I'm down like 2.5% right now. Half of what I normally risk due to me not hitting my TP closing my position to go break even. B, trade the second both biases were in the same direction. One was a sell in SPX, the other was a sell in pound. We're waiting for another opportunity if the market's going to present itself with one. Still ultra focused on pound, dollar, and Aussie dollar. The dollar here needs to get itself together. Because if it continues to stay here, we're just going to think it's going to sell. looking at pound yen, and a motion popped up inside of me saying, if it gives a buy signal, do you take it? No. 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 Bro, the organization of these no, we don't take this by opportunity. We're saying we're not going to take this by opportunity. No, we're not. We're not. Pound yen, I'm really starting to focus pull away from pound yen, pound dollar, but the dollar has to gain strength for that to happen. I'd rather just sell Aussie dollar because it's already selling, rather than waiting for pound dollar to pick up strength. Just go with what's already selling, which in this case is Aussie dollar. But where's my signal? The first one, the only one I see is this closure of this candle. But it ain't more than that. I need something more than that. That bullshit ain't gonna be enough. What the fuck? I knew the oil was bearish this morning. I saw this right here, right at 8:30. I saw that. I seen it on camera. Here we go, 10:15. So pound dollar so bad. Really wanted to close onto this aqua, man. See how it's rejecting this 20 SMA break or retest. I'm trying to take it as a break and retest. Simple as that. That closes on an aqua. I'm telling you, I'm entering into the trade. Targeting these lows down here. Targeting the weekly. gap down there, that's definitely what I'm targeting. Actually targeting this candle right here first, then the gap. It's prepping me, man. It is prepping me. I can't tell if this is just a pump fake, if the dollar's gonna actually gain strength or not. I'm with it though. I am with this shit. I'm gonna take off pound yen, put on Aussie dollar. Yeah, Aussie dollar's gone. Aussie dollar's definitely gone. See, I broke away from the aqua and just fell off. I'm even gonna put my stop up a little bit higher than I usually do. And I'm going mainly with the far edge than anything, because it still doesn't feel complete, like I should be entering in yet, but the trend is moving, and I must agree with what it's showing me. Finally in this GU settle, and right now we're taking it like this. And we're taking it down to here. A nice 4 to 1. Kind of early. It's 10:21 in terms of the market being open. It hasn't even been an hour yet. I didn't even notice S&P. Get that rejection counter right there. Starting to look suspect. This 30 minute looks suspect. Definitely, and this has to close like a doji. If it goes anything above, probably want to exit the trade. You're all right. Trade going to the direction that we want it to. I was gonna say exactly, but I wouldn't say exact. The far edge is aligning in our favor, and was what really gave me the confidence to take the trade, because I ain't gonna lie, this was some ugly ass structure. This 236 pullback is confudged. It's ugly. It never hit my stop loss, but I closed it just because of how ugly it looked. I actually never re-entered just because of how janky the entry looks, right? You technically would have to be taking the break of the 100 EMA here, but I don't like how it's doubling bottoming out. I don't like the way that looks, so that's why I didn't take that. Tech did it. I was looking at pound yen, but it gave me some kind of so most of my focus now is just in pound dollar. It is giving us that significant close beneath the open of our 5 a.m. candle, which is the start of the previous 4-hour candle. So we're in a situating continuation of the bearish trend. The signals haven't been the best, meaning the confirmations to actually confirm the idea I'm looking at. They haven't been the best, they haven't been the strongest, but they are present and they're there. For instance, this 15-minute candle that's about to close in 50 seconds. This is another one, so let's patiently watch. I'm gonna actually come back to the rest of these. Let's watch what happens. So now that this candle closed, right, it gave us another confirmation in alignment with the bearish trend. So now, I'm gonna delete this before what I drew. Now I'm interested. I'm gonna take another entry. All right, I'm gonna open up my calc, put my stop loss. Here, and I'm gonna take another entry. And I'm gonna adjust my targets, right? Because now these targets are going 2-to-1 based off this 15-minute candle close as the engulfer. But using this to the overall agreement, just based off the time frame I'm looking at, right? So essentially, I'm looking at this as a MES. It's 10:31, right? I'm hoping that this hourly candle right here will close below my entry. If it closes below my entry, that's meaning it's going to close below these lows right here, which is also right in alignment with the beginning of the 4-hour candle, which is why I'm entering the trade here and pretty much at the opening here. So my stops are going to go here, risking about, 30 points, 30 pips essentially. So as I bring my trade levels back, that's why this is like that. And what I was about to say for my TP, my targets, I'm going to be going for 2-to-1 based off what I risked. But in the same token, I'm going to extend my targets. So I'll leave 2-to-1 right there for right now. And I'll allow myself to break even. For my top entries, we'll go Alright. So I'm gonna take this back to the 5 minute. I'm gonna move it back over here out the way. Alright, let's look what's happened. So the dollar is continuing to gain strength. I can see the euro dollar, right? Pound dollars hesitating for whatever reason. Don't want to see that at all. Aussie dollar is weakening. So out of the three of Aussie dollar, pound dollar, and euro dollar is dropping the most. The one that I chose is doing the least, and Aussie dollar is continuing with pound dollar. The indices are almost traced 50% as well. This looks like this is about to buy. I can't even cap. This doesn't look bearish to me at all. I'm watching price though. I don't know what's got going on, but I'm watching it. Aussie dollar, euro dollar now going negative. Pound is resistant. Almost. Look at that. Look at the supply in here. Oh my goodness. Positions just based off the way this looks, and it'll break me even on the day, but I have no reason to close my trade, so I'm not going to close. So let's break down what we're doing right now. First, identify right here, it's already on the screen. It's 15-minute engulfing. I'm targeting a 2-to-1. Simple. That's my first target. Everything else, yeah. Now, the fib that's up is based off of the previous closure. Which my entry goes, please. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna close all my positions. Alright, so I close all my positions. So that would break me even on the day. Alright, that's not positive. Alright, so now I'm not negative no more. I'm not worried. The price comes back. Put a pending order on it. Definitely looks like it's gonna come back. I even want to close it. I'm gonna do half the position because it looks like it's gonna come back. Anyway, slowly moving down. Indices went for a mean drop. I'm kind of feeling some type of way. I'm not in those. I called it too. I just didn't have the clear signal to get in. Besides this 1 5-minute candle, which I called it out saying I missed it. I saw E, but I didn't see that when I was paying attention to pound dollar, pound yen. I'm gonna close that possession in London. Entered at 37.50. Now euro and these other ones, Aussie dollar may come back. I'm hoping pound dollar comes back. It's coming back as we speak. But I may not want it. I'm gonna actually take it away. I took my order, my position away. I'm gonna just watch. You do want to be, you see how this broke the 100 EMA? You want to be, this gave the gateway to essentially go to the next range, which is that one. And that this is valid, but I don't want to enter it right now. The fact that prices are retracing, and I don't want it. I want to see what it does next. Give me an incentive more, incentivized to get another one. Other than that, I'm patiently waiting. So I'm gonna take this MT5 off. Let's just watch. The 4 hour is our edge. The 4 hour is our edge. This 5-minute counter right here, no cap, was the meanest entry, bro. I mean, if you would have took it appropriately, like, just gave like the meanest entry, man. Interested in taking that's US 30. Is there one on? Today's so slow, I'm just gonna pause the video because this is ridiculous. I'll put it back if you got something. You almost missed it. It's trying to be sneaky. Crazy as I was not paying attention. I literally just came back and saw this too. How much time we got left? 15 seconds, so we got one on the 15 minutes. GU, GJ. I like adjusting my stop loss a little bit higher, just in case the market try to do something foul. The market comes back a little bit, I may double up. So you got this double signal here. And GU. I kind of want to double up again just because of how nice it looks. Or at least try to get one on EU. Maybe EU will come back a little bit. Targets here are going for the 1-to-1, 2-to-1, and I think There we go. That fixed it. Now it shows the one up in on E as well. If I'm going to be honest, I fell asleep looking at the one on. Just fell asleep, and then I really fell asleep. I dozed off. I leaned back in the chair, looked back up, and then realized the markets was moving, and I was like, "Oh Lord, I'm not in anything." Big pullback on the indices. They're pretty much retracing 886. Nasdaq did a full sweep. That's crazy. I missed that. Called it out. Dollar giving it a signal of continuing strength. Euro weakening here. GU, AU all doing. AU was weakening the most. AU just completely fell out of the sky. So now we're just pretty much watching this G engulfing play out on GU. This is our main one that we're in right now. At least that's one I'm paying attention towards. I will say, let's look at the 5-minute trading ranges. Let's see what's really going on. Ooh, let's pull up all the ranges. So the DXY just broke that 400. A lot more pops on the screen when you bring out all the extra emails. You can start to see a lot more. So I see the range we're playing between the 100, 200 on the 15-minute time frame. 30-minute is still an active pullback. This is the first 30-minute counter closure rates agreeing with the pullback here. So we're probably going to see some turbulence, meaning on my GU trade prices may pull back. So EU position. GU crossing, which is alert in GU, which means momentum must be picking up, and it is. There we go. More significance momentum as the dollar's significantly increasing in strength. So we finally have had GU close under this 800 EMA on the 5 minutes. I think it's actually good here. Let's actually blow it up a little bit. So as this closes under, right, this EMA is representing that the structure is continuing to break. So now I feel confident to hold these positions, and as well as we have a Fibonacci on the chart as well. If we go to the hourly time frame, this fib is measuring from this high to this low. So pretty much this bearish move, I want to see it replicate itself over here, right? Something like that, essentially. And this purple EMA is representing a huge amount of sellers. And we're pushing away from that. We're literally pushing away from that, right? This price is pushing away from that. It's giving signals, indications for me to enter into the trade and carry on with this analysis. 3 hours ago when I first saw us in this area, I could have entered early, but you need confirmation, more confluence. So that's where things in areas like here, where we've had the break, right? And I add my entries right here. Now I have confluence and confirmation, so when price pulls back on me, I'm not scared. Okay. I'm actually more tempted to hold it because this 15-minute candle close is now about to come in confluence with this 30-minute, right? Things begin to add up as they stack up. This is how you literally stack positions. For me, I'm also aware of price rejecting the 618. That's common. For it to come down, hit the 618, kind of levitate here in between. Now you just want to see price stay below the 13 to 27. You want to see it continue back down to the downside, right? Range here. Yeah, I feel confident in this for sure. How could I not? This actually looks great. The more I look at this, the more confident I kind of feel. It is kind of dragging out a little bit. I can unfortunately see it swiping up here one more time, then dropping lower, but it is what it is. I'm going with where I'm at. Got the confirmation. I shot my shot. I shoot my shot. I shot my shoot. There we go. We're getting that rejection from that 272. Let's actually line this up differently. Let's mark the lower one a different color. No, we'll leave it how it is. What's this white line? This white line, that's a 272. We'll mark that one a different color. Let's make that one purple. Nice. I like how this 5-minute candle closed beneath. Right, this 272. This drought over here. Same thing I got on my MT4. I feed the Great Fox. Yeah, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Stay below here. You pulled back. You just did a chunk of a pullback. It's all flowing off the dollar though, right? what's the dollar gonna do? What's it gonna do? Because this could definitely pump fake a pull back down just like it did the previous hour. Or this could be signifying the closure because we're in a new 30-minute, right? The closure of that confirmed it. That's what I am anticipating, right? As the indices continue their bearishness, right? Now bearish in the day on tech. That's what I want to see. The further bearish continuation. Normal line ran pound yen was playing games. It did give a 30-minute right here though. Mixed in with the 15-minute. See, that's what I'm saying. The things that give but don't be given are the ones I kind of stay away from. Because this could easily get engulfed back. I chose pound dollar. The pound dollar looks a lot more promising. $0 is huge. I like $0 though. $0 looks nice. I just realized that I was measuring off the 15-minute, but there's a 30-minute one. Trying to grab that fit if it'll let me. It's not letting me. There you go. Boom. Go change TP to here. And we're gonna move this line out. That like there you go. And this is gonna collect me $3. How is that? Oh. Because of let's see. I see. Now it's all about risk management, right? I'm in the trade. How do I manage my risk? How do I manage trade from here? Trade is active. Alerts are active. What is being managed? What is being played? What is being identified? All right, so we have a 15-minute and a 30-minute and both closed in. And which one's the better play? I'm just gonna do $0 and pound dollar. I'm gonna stay away from pound. Then I'm gonna enter in another position on $0. I don't got enough on pound dollar. Let's leave those volumes like they are. Let's add another position with the 30-minute. Let's open this up. Take this off a 101. I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna up the percent on this one a little bit. Instead of 5, we're gonna do 10. sell stop. Put my thing like that. Line that up like that. Actually, if you're doing it like that, then I can actually drop my stop loss to like 618. Play it a little bit more dangerous. Instead of risking it to the full candle, I'm gonna risk it to 50 to 60%. And instead of going to 2 to 1, we're going to 1 to 1. So that changes profits at 1.5 almost. So I'm gonna open the trade, I'm gonna place it, I'm gonna put it down. Sell stop to 0.07. I'm gonna delete these pending orders real quick because they're in the way. Actually, I'll leave that one pending order there. With the sell stop, the TP for this 1 to 1 can come down here to this 2 to 1 because I'm going to use the more pressured one for the sell stop here. Cool. Okay. So we got EU on the board and we got GU on the board. Let's back at our entry now. Indices are just tanking right now. Heavy pressure. And the currencies are not showing me that same love. AU is. That's about it. I am not getting that same love out of my currencies right now. And I'm trying to realize, like, I'm trying to think harder on my GU entries because if we have, right, a 15-minute and a 30-minute entry, adjust on my stop loss. I was saying is we got 30 and 15-minute entries, right? Then essentially how you get target and use the 30. Targeting the 2 to 1. This one just lined up at. Because my entry was off the 15-minute, I got a little bit slightly early. This price is not pulling back. EU in a lot more significance of a pullback. I also activated my limit order, which is right at my entry. So everything is right at my entry. It's cool. So I'm gonna adjust this 1 to 1 stop loss extra, is the one at the top, and these other two are the one that's lower, which is 1.03. Okay. indices that much, so I'm gonna lower these. Because this is what we're mainly paying attention to. And they're not really being all that friendly. Especially GU is already negative in the day, right? That's the one take this further. GU is already bearish and has been bearish in the day. If this was the open up here, prices already 50 pips into the day. So that's why I was struggling to release that range. It gave the signal, it's pulled back halfway almost in that candle. Now what? We're below the 100 EMA. First candle close, pull back. Second candle close, break and retest. Okay. That's what you want to see. And now what? Now what are you doing? What is up your sleeve now? Dollar's weakening, that's what's happening. Insignificant. Oh, I just hit the wrong button. Oops. Dang, one sec. You did some disrespectful things and it activated my sell stop, and then went back into drawdown again. So I may have to remove something if it continues to pull back more, because I don't know how that sell stop got activated. Unless it got activated in this candle, I don't even know how. Wow, man. Wow. Sell stop, if it gets activated at the opening, it's supposed to be taken out to 50. But I'm pushing it up because I feel like I'm getting stop on it here. The first one, there's two positions right here, right? I believe, yeah, there is. So the first one, I'm gonna let it, if it hits 618, I'm gonna let it close. But the other one, I'm not gonna let it close, man. It's all about the risk management. How am I managing my risk right now? Right now, my risk management went from going all right to poor. Based off that sell stop I did, that was a trading error. I was greedy. I was becoming greedy with this analysis. Impatient with the fact that it was taking too long. Try to win some of my profits early. Up is telling me that. This one didn't even do the 1-to-1, so it's really just being insignificant here. It really is. Okay, can't close over $12. I am in an awkward trade. Very awkward because of the structure. And the timing. I timed it wrong. I should not have been entered in here. My pocket of entry was not here. I thought it was. Apparently not. Stopped out. Yo, this is frustrating. Frustrating, for sure. Just got stopped out on one. Mad that the specific position I got stopped out was a higher leverage position. I shouldn't even be entered. It was a trading error. So I'm really kind of stressing out here because Aussie dollar, right, the indices are doing what they're supposed to do. Euro dollar and pound dollar are so not doing what they're supposed to do that they are. It's just going so slow and extended. Got me like triple second guessing myself. There we go. It's finally closed like that. It just feels so lack of trust. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna remove all the extra crazy positions until price presents to me something valuable to stay for. Because right now it just looks like it's gonna invalidate itself. Especially with the closure of this 5-minute counter right here. Like, come on, bro. that as an entry setup? Do I buy that now? I believe price is just doing like a pump fake. It's like AU is pulling back over its bearishness, but EU and GU are like trying to trick people into thinking the market is going to go higher. But as soon as this next 4-hour candle closes in 47 minutes, I am fairly certain it's going to continue further down to the downside. I just have to pick my entry now because I see how the market's being. Just did not mess with that, so okay. It's cool. It's fine. This thing looks so bearish, man, it's not even funny. I don't even know what I'm trying to contemplate. It needs to come back up above before I were to entice the sellers, and then it's gonna sell. Scalping opportunity here. I'm not taking it, but feels like what it's about to do. Unfortunately. fairly certain. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna play it.